Hey guys, in this video, me and my friend Joel went to go kill Greg. If you don't know who Greg is, that's Greg right there. We found him and we killed him. And he killed us a lot. So, watch the video. See you. Attention everyone! We're gonna find Greg.
No, why, Greg?
We're gonna kill him, Joel.
I don't want to see Greg.
Greg has lived in these lands for thousands of years. We'll finally kill him.
There's like 15 Gregs, man. Which one?
All of them.
Why?
We're doing the Kill All Gregs challenge, okay?
That's not a thing.
Hello everybody, today we are killing all the Gregs!
I'm gonna commit all four, I swear.
You can't, this is VR! You dumb
I'm gonna
weird.
commit, oh no, I ran out of battery, oops.
If you say that, I'ma kill you. In game.
We gonna go, or I have 2 sticks, man, we ain't doing this.
I got 2 bones, actually.
Yeah, and I got 2 sticks, neither of us have a flashlight or a crowbar, we're done for.
No, we're not. Robot! Let me execute this chat GPT. This what you get, man. Ooh. Watch out. Run! Never mind. Do you just take one of my bones?
No.
I'm gonna kill you, Joel. Open the gate. That's who you eat. That's who you date. Open the gates.
We going the downstairs route?
Throw the stick. No!
What do you mean no?
Joel, we're gonna.
Yeah?
Gregory. He's not there.
Yeah, I know. I tried to tell you guys this the last time.
There is no way you just died on me. Nice little Greg. Joel, come back. You know what?
Hey, at least I tried.
Joel! Joel!
Yeah.
Leave me alone again, see what happens. Let me get some bones.
Bro, I panicked so much that I turned my VR off.
That's what I did the first time we found Greg. Joel, where you at? Guess I gotta be all alone. Bro, Joel. We need to get back to Gregory. Where you at? Oh, I'm on channel 1. There you go. I was on channel 1.
Oh, that's why I wasn't hearing you. Bro, I panicked so much that I turned my VR off.
Open the group. That's what happened the first time we found Greg. It was so scary. I didn't even know he existed.
Yeah, neither did I.
Okay, let's kill ChatGPT real quick. Then we'll go to Greg.
Alright. Bro, I remember seeing Greg for the first time, I was just walking. We were doing the knowledge thingy. It's this way, Sable.
Oh.
We were doing like the purple thingies. I saw the door was open. I was like, hey, what if
Abort! Abort the mission!
And then we found
Abort the mission! Never mind.
Bro, he's dead.
Don't worry, I got it. Stop! Let's go to Rubber Duck, Greg.
Rubber Duck Greg?
Yeah, I don't know where he is.
Where even is Rubber Duck Greg? We didn't find him last time.
He's I know where he is, I know where he is. Come on.
Where are you? Yeah, over here.
No, down here. He was over here.
Where are you?
I'm over here. At the front door.
What does that mean?
The front door, where we came from.
Alright, let me just.
Alright, Gregory should be around here. Gregory Animal Company. Is that his full name?
I don't know.
Gregory Animal
I
Company?
I checked the wiki, and some people call him Jamal, Nextbot, Mr. Sigma. He has like 20 names, man.
I like Greg the most. It fits.
Yeah, we're just gonna call him Greg.
I knew this kid once named Greg. He looked exactly like that. Don't run back.
They rearranged the maps, remember?
Jelly. I forgot how slippery it is. I wish Weston was here. It'd be a lot less scary because he always sits in the front and dies instantly, so we know.
Do we have to?
Do it for the vine. Turn back!
For the company?
For the company. It's too much company. We should have brought a flashlight, shouldn't we? Joe, come back!
Right. I was up there.
We can try to hide there.
But yeah, there wasn't a guy here last time we came here, remember? There was! I lied!
I'm in your hidey hole.
I can't get up
No, please, please! I give mercy! Is he still there? I'm alive. He ain't gonna go through that door.
Where is?
Follow me! He's follow me! I'm safe. Alright, Joe, where are you at? Joe!
No clue where I am.
A few moments later.
What?
Wait, where are you at?
I'm past the yellow zone.
Oh, you survived?
Yeah, I survived.
He's gonna kill me. Joel, can you do me a favor? Joel.
He's not here. I'm in the zone where he spawns. He's not here, I promise.
He's here. I hate you.
He's here?
Yeah. He's at the elevator. Is he stuck?
I don't see him anywhere.
He's stuck.
Oh. If he's stuck, you can just hit him like a trillion times.
I died.
Bro.
I got it. I'ma kill him. Wait, is this the right one?
My POV and then sending it to you.
I'm scared.
I don't see him anywhere.
He's at the elevator. Probably.
Never mind, I lied.
I told you.
I'm
What? Are you alive?
yeah.
Can you kill him for me?
No. I have to.
I'm done for. What do I do? You don't.
I think you despawned.
I killed him.
Nice.
Ooh, hoo, hoo. Don't mind if I
One
do.
past the yellow area.
What if he spawns back?
That spawn area is nowhere here.
Hey, Joel. How's it going?
Hey, so we can go that way or that way?
I don't think there's a way back here.
All right.
This is just duck oars. Don't worry. I'm lock and loaded, Joel. Look.
Oh, you have... Did he drop that?
Yeah. Open the gate.
Open this. Do I have to?
I think it's a robot room. Yeah, I'm scared, Joel. Yeah, there's definitely one somewhere in here.
Oh yeah, this is the other area. This is the... Yeah, there's one right there. He's right there. There!
Where's he at? Where's he at?
Do you have any ammo, Sailor? Should I open the door? See ya. Good luck, man.
I think I killed him. See what happens when you mess with me. Where are you at?
I closed the door behind me.
I got a bullet in my gun. Over here.
The only door here.
He's gonna
The
jump
one's in the
out.
yellow room. Yeah, he's dead. He's dead.
Oh, okay.
He's dead. Help me, please. I don't want to have to come back here.
Weston! Weston!
Weston's here. I dropped my buddies over there. Save me from right
We're going too far deep in the Greg room.
Huh. My stick, bro.
I just got up from outside,
Can I have...
and now
Can I... Okay, I guess I get this
on
one.
without my whole lens is fogging up. I can't even see right now. Let me like take a little break real quick. Right now I can't even see, and then I'll get back.
All right.
I'm super tired.
My sticks are broken, Sailor.
Greg's be kind of caked
Can
up.
I have...
I didn't hear a word you said. We just killed a Greg.
Please, can I have that? I'm out of weapons, please. Please, just give me something. Thank you.
And he's dumb, man. Take my gun too.
Oh, your gun? Where'd you put it?
Right over here.
Oh, I see it.
It has a lot of bullets.
Can I has?
Don't waste it.
I'll try not to. Where do we go?
I have no idea. Why are you running?
Oh no, I'm just going in a direction.
There's a place over here.
There's a thing here.
Open,
I'm
open.
opening the door.
It's safe?
Hold on.
Don't hold on me.
There was a phone.
Here's the gun.
Oh,
I told you.
I killed it. It's a one-shot with that gun. Oh.
So now you got
Mine.
yourself a little sword. I'll take the bone.
I got a gay sword. Let's go.
Hi. Let's go in here. This place looked weird. It was like there was like a bunch of signs.
All right. Cause that's the only way forward right now.
Can you stop? Well, your sword
Sorry.
shenanigans. Yeah,
Wait.
no. I would never accept your
Canopy lab.
apology. Huh?
Canopy lab.
Ooh.
Source.
Oh, I think this is the duplicating machine.
The what machine?
Duplicating machine. Put an item.
Say that again, but slowly.
Duplicating machine.
Exactly.
Oh, crikes.
Why are you so just nonchalant about this? Like,
Joel,
Yeah.
where are you at? Come here. Come here.
Yeah.
Watch this place.
Okay. Yeah.
Where are you at?
Right here.
Over here. Yeah, around here.
Yeah.
This is like weird.
The sign?
No, this whole area. Joel?
I hear him.
Wait, I gotta walk. I'll make him fall down. I'll sacrifice.
Sailor, no!
I'll sacrifice.
Sailor, I have a gun!
Yeah, never mind.
Wait, imagine there was a key card in here.
No!
Sailor, no!
Story
Wait, you're
of a
alive.
nerd. Wait,
You're alive, oh.
yeah, it's safe down here.
Oh, let me check.
Whoa, that was a crazy move.